had always dreamt of getting 100 in mass media. I always told Miss I want that 100, I want that 100.
I loved the mass media class and I used to come school only on the mass media days.
Every single mass media class was memorable for me.
I have a lot of tips to tell you.
So my biggest improvement tip would be
Miss आपने बोला था section A.
And then we were having fun outside the classes.
I'm here with that 100 on my mark sheet because of the confidence Pradnya Miss has given me, Shantanu sir, the entire team. They've really helped me throughout.
ये कैसी बात हुई?
Hello listeners, welcome to JPS Weekends Radio, where learning is fun and academic success is celebrated in a special mass media way. This year's ICSE 10th grade results were very special for JPS because not one, not two, not three, but 5 Jankians aced to score a perfect 100 on 100 in mass media and communication. And today, they're back in the studio to have a friendly chat with the current 9th grade mass media students. So please welcome Kian Karamchandani, Yashika Mishra, Dhruv Sharma, and Unnati Thakur. Unfortunately, we're missing our 5th topper, Parisha Bakshi, as she's busy with her classes. So let's start our show and get to the first question.
Hello everyone, my name is Viana Phillips and I'm from grade 9th E. My question is for the boys. Was mass media your first choice in group 3? If yes, why? And did you consider any other subjects before finalizing your decision?
Thank you for your question. And I would like to say yes, MMC was definitely my first choice. This is because MMC was, when I saw the syllabus, it was something very unique and not like the traditional subjects. And I felt that it was like the syllabus was completely out of the box. It also combined like academics and real life skills, and definitely it was aligned with my interest and my strengths, and therefore yes, MMC was my first choice.
Hi, my name is Ashka Mutreja and I'm from 9th B. My question is for Unnati. If you could, would you change anything in how mass media is taught today and why?
Honestly, I wouldn't really change much about the teaching process. However, I would enjoy many more field trips, media-related projects, interactions with people from the industry. That would really help and it would be fun as well. And we did propose some changes in the textbook, which would make self-study easier for us. So Shantanu sir has assured us that he will be working on it.
Hello everyone, I am Twisha Vora from 9B and my question is to Kian. Scoring 100 on 100 is a dream for all, but only a few can achieve it. So what was your reaction on seeing your perfect MMC score?
Thank you for your question, and I would like to say that I was extremely surprised and very happy when I saw my results. It was a very exciting moment for me, and I felt that my hard work and results had paid off, and more than the marks itself, it gave me confidence in myself.
Hello, my name is Kushi from 9th B and my question is for Dhruv. So, how did you balance your studies with sports and extracurricular activities?
To be honest, I did not balance. I was more into cricket and these extracurricular activities because mass media is a very easy subject. I didn't consider it as a burden, and I used to study it just before a day before exam. So it's easy, and it was never something to balance with sports and extracurricular.
Hello everyone, I am Rajanya from class 9th D and my question is for Yashika. So what study routines did you follow to keep up with your studies?
Thank you for your question. Honestly, it's all about balancing the fun part with the studies. For mass media specifically, you have to pay attention in class, do your project seriously, pay attention because the textbook can get overwhelming if you don't understand the concept. And do your projects before the deadline and scribble down some notes and mark important points while in class. So that helps.
Hi, my name is Katha Pavaskar from 9th B and my question is for Kian. What is your fondest memory of the 2 years of your mass media classes?
Thank you for your question, and I would like to answer that I do not have one favorite memory per se, but every single mass media class was memorable for me. But if I had to pick like a few moments that were like very memorable, they would definitely be the group projects where I used to interact with the class, brainstorm. That was really fun. And also the mass media trip where we went to the mass media, Weekends Media Studio. That was amazing.
Hi, my name is Shanaya Shah from 9th E and my question is to Yashika. So, did you make any mistakes during the assignments and what helped you to improve them?
So thank you for your question. I personally didn't do any major mistakes, but I've seen people misunderstand the topic or submit it way past the deadline. So my biggest improvement tip would be to be sincere about it, and since MMC is a very broad subject, you can easily drift off because there are so many ideas and thoughts. So just stick to your project.
My name is Fatima, and my question is for Dhruv. My question is a bit different. If there was a student who couldn't decide between mass media and other group 3 subjects, what would you say to convince them to pick mass media?
So I was such type of student. I was also confused. So if my junior asks me that whether what subject he should choose for group 3, I would tell him that if he is creatively interested and he just doesn't want to do rote learning, so he should take mass media. And mass media has a lot of projects and we are with our friends, so I'll tell him to take mass media.
I am Aman Lambe from class 9B. My question is to Unnati Thakur. If you were given a chance, what topics in the mass media portion would you include or exclude?
Interesting question. So for me, I wouldn't exclude any topic entirely. However, television, chapter number 4, that was the least opted for because it was a lot more theoretical and it did require a lot of rote learning. So people didn't opt for that. For about adding new topics, I would definitely go for relevant topics like social media management, podcasting, AI in media, because those topics are something that we need in today's times. So I think that would really help us.
Hello, my name is Prashita D'Souza from class 9th B. My question is for Unnati. Over a period of time, what, according to you, has helped you become a more confident public speaker?
This is my favorite question so far. So I remember having an elocution competition and I had come to Pradnya Miss because I was really scared to go on the stage and talk. So I asked her how I could speak well in front of everybody because I had stage fear. She sat me down, she gave me all tips and tricks. She told me to look in front, to look at your friends, tell them to nod at you. So that really helped me, and she's given me the motivation and the confidence to step up and speak. I'm here with that 100 on my mark sheet because of the confidence Pradnya Miss has given me, Shantanu sir, the entire team. They've really helped me throughout.
Hi, I'm Veda Mahajan from class 9B, and my question is to Dhruv. If you could go back to the first day of your MMC class, what would you do differently?
In my first class, I would participate more. I would talk more with ma'am, not with my friends. And I would pay more attention in the class only, so I will not have to study when it's the exam time. And yeah, I'll do everything I did. ये कैसी बात हुई?
Hello, my name is Yashasvi Vats and I'm from class 9th B. My question is not particularly for anyone of you can answer it. So my question is, what tips did your teacher give to you which proved most useful?
I had always dreamt of getting 100 in mass media. I always told Miss I want that 100, I want that 100. So during my prelims, Miss used to guide me a lot. She used to tell me that I lose marks in section A. That is where I need to improve myself. And once you do section A well, you have higher chances of getting full in section B. So she used to correct me at every spot during every prelim that you lost your marks in this chapter, try doing this chapter better, do this part of the chapter better. I listened to those advices. Those advices have helped me to get 100. So I think listen to the teacher.
Same.
मैं आपने बोला था सेक्शन ए और तुमको मिला मैंने किया फिर.
I am Arush Parik from class 9th D and my question is for Yashika. Did you undergo stress while studying, and what tips will you give to your juniors regarding their mass media classes?
So thank you for your question. I personally didn't go through a lot of stress because in my opinion both are overrated, because by the time you're sitting for the main exam you're already done with so many practice questions and pre-board, so you're more prepared than you think. For mass media, as I said, you have to like scribble down notes and pay attention in class.
Hi, so I'm Kian Kandari from class 9th E, and my question is for Unnati. How do you feel now that school life is over?
I was waiting to answer this question, but honestly it's been a roller coaster of emotions because this place has given me experiences, values that I will be taking home. I have taken a heart full of memories with me. School has given me friendships, lessons, and teachers that I will cherish for life. Although I have many more experiences that I will be looking forward to later, but I will always look back upon these years and cherish whatever memories I've made here.
Hello, my name is Yashraj Singh from class 9D. I have a question for all of you. Can you please share a fun incident that happened in a mass media lecture?
So basically, every MMC lecture was fun. But one day, me and my friends were sitting at the back and playing paper ball fight, and ma'am saw us. So for us, it was fun. But then ma'am got angry and she threw us out of the class. And then we were having fun outside the class. Sorry, ma'am.
So, hello, my name is Yuvraj Singh and I study in 9th B. My question is for Unnati that what career would you like to pursue in the future and how would mass media help you in that?
So I personally want to pursue corporate communications and PR with luxury brand management, and exposure to mass media as a subject at a really young age will help me understand and grasp the subject very well during my undergrad and master's programs, and I will definitely be a better individual for jobs and other such opportunities, that I will have an upper hand than others.
Hi, I am Abbas from 9D. My question to you is, what will you miss the most about mass media classes?
To be honest, I will miss everything because I loved the mass media class, and I used to come school only on the mass media days, and rest of the days I would sleep at home. And my most favorite memories were that we used to play games and the projects with my friends.
To be honest, I would miss everything. There are bits and pieces that are so memorable, especially the activities we did in class, whether it was academic or not. And the AC especially, because it's too hot in the other classes, it never works. So this is good.
We have asked you many questions, so is there anything you would like to ask us or tell us?
Yes, definitely. I have a lot of tips to tell you, but for now, I'll just say that please submit your projects in time. Listen to what ma'am says in class, because that will make your self-study much more easier. And mark while you read and highlight the important points. Miss will give you pointers in class to learn. Do those pointers very well. And go through past papers, do your prelims, give your second prelims like your boards. That is the key to getting 100 on 100. Give your second prelims very well, be serious and don't play around. That's it.
Wasn't it fun? But sadly, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you to all our guests for being here and sharing their thoughts. For more such fun conversation, keep listening to JPS Weekly Radio. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.